Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to make the perfect latte. So first step, you're going to grab this portafilter, get some espresso. So it's going to stop by yourself, but make sure you don't push back again. You're going to make a mess. Alright? So straight down, give it a good push, and then a little twist. Alright, make sure there's none around the edges. And you're going to go in here, make sure it's all the way to the right. So right now we're making a medium vanilla latte, so I've got my 4 pumps of vanilla in there. Alright, got it in there, and I'm going to hit this second button from the left. Make sure you hit that one, not this one. This one, second button from the left. Alright, get that started. So while that's going, I'm going to get some milk. So for a medium, I'm going to pour about a finger length below that lip. That's actually a little bit much. Okay? So I'm going to go over here to the steam wand. Alright, and you can see I've got it at an angle. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the milk where just the tip is inside. Okay? So after you hear that sucking sound, you're going to want to push it up for about an inch. Okay? You don't want to hear that sucking sound for very long. You should hear that sucking sound for about 2 seconds, and then you're going to push it up about an inch above the bottom of the steam wand so that you're not getting any more air in the milk, and it's just heating it up. Alright, so you can see that consistency, that wet paint that Mr. Carter talks about. It's pretty perfect. Alright, so my espresso here is done. I'm going to pour it in here, see if I can get a nice looking latte art. Alright, so I'm going to get a little bit closer, and I'm going to start shaking it. And that's a little underwhelming, but there is the perfect latte. Thanks.